One of the leading tools that empowers this kind of seamless operation is Setmore. It's designed to simplify your booking process, free up your time, and ultimately help you serve more clients and grow your business. But the magic really begins when you effectively set up your services within the platform. After all, if your clients can't find what they're looking for, or if your offerings aren't clearly defined, even the best booking system can fall short. That's where we come in today. We're going to dive deep into Setmore and show you, step by step, exactly how to add services to your account. This isn't just about clicking a few buttons. It's about strategically organizing your offerings so they are appealing, easy to understand, and drive bookings. Whether you're a new Setmore user just getting started, or you've been using it for a while and want to refine your service menu, this guide is for you. We'll cover everything from the basic details like service name and description, to more advanced options like setting prices, durations, buffer times, and even assigning specific staff members to each service. By the end of this, you'll be a Setmore service adding pro, ready to optimize your booking page for maximum impact. So, let's stop the endless back and forth and embrace the power of automated scheduling. Let's make sure your services shine on your Setmore booking page and attract the clients you deserve. Get ready to transform the way you manage your appointments. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of adding services to your Setmore account. The process is remarkably intuitive, but knowing where to find everything and understanding the options available will help you create a truly professional and efficient booking experience for your clients. First things first, you'll want to log into your Setmore web app. While Setmore does have a fantastic mobile app for comprehensive service setup, the web app offers the most robust experience and all the options you'll need. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation hub. You'll see various options like calendar, customers, and the one we're interested in today, services. Click on services. This services section is your central command center for all the offerings your business provides. You'll likely see some default services already listed if you're a new user, or a list of your existing services if you've been using Setmore for a while. To add a new service, you're looking for the bright blue plus symbol button, usually located in the top right corner of the Services panel. Click that button. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you two choices, service or class. This distinction is important. If you offer one-on-one appointments, consultations, or individual treatments, you'll choose service. If you run group sessions, workshops, or courses with multiple attendees, you'll select class. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a service, but many of the principles are similar for classes. Once you've selected service, a new window will pop up, prompting you to fill in the details for your new offering. Let's break down each field and why it's important. 1. Service name. This is the most crucial field. It's what your clients will see first, so make it clear, concise, and descriptive. For example, instead of just massage, you might put 60-minute deep tissue massage or introductory coaching session. Be specific. 2. Description. This is your chance to tell clients more about the service. What does it entail? What are the benefits? Is there anything they need to know before booking? Use this space to provide all necessary information, making it easy for clients to decide if this service is right for them. Think of it as a mini sales pitch for your service. Keep it engaging but to the point. 3. Duration. How long does this service typically take? Setmore allows you to define the exact duration in minutes or hours. This is vital for accurate scheduling and preventing overlapping appointments. Be realistic about the time required. 4. Buffer time. This is a fantastic, often overlooked feature. Buffer time is the extra time you allocate before or after an appointment. Why is it important? It gives you time for preparation, cleanup, travel between clients, if you offer mobile services, or simply a moment to breathe. For example, if your service is 30 minutes and you add a 15-minute buffer, Setmore will block out 45 minutes in total for that booking, preventing another appointment from being booked immediately before or after. This is key for maintaining your sanity and ensuring quality service. 5. Cost. Clearly state the price of your service. Setmore allows you to input the monetary value, and it will be displayed on your booking page. If the service is free, you can enter 0 or leave it blank, depending on how you want it to appear. 6. Location. If you have multiple locations, or if some services are offered virtually, e.g., video calls, and others in person, you can specify the location here. This helps clients understand where they need to go or how they'll access your service. 7. Category. Optional. As your service list grows, categories become incredibly helpful for organization. You can group similar services together, making it easier for clients to navigate your booking page. For instance, a spa might have categories like facials, massages, and nail services. This improves the user experience significantly. 8. Service image. Optional but recommended. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Upload a high-quality image that represents your service. This makes your booking page visually appealing and helps clients quickly identify what they're looking for. Make sure the image is relevant and professional. 9. Assign staff. This is a critical step. On the right-hand side of the service creation window, you'll see a section to assign staff members to this service. If you have multiple team members, you need to select who is qualified and available to perform this particular service. Clients will then only see the availability of the staff members assigned to that service. If you are a solo practitioner, you'll simply assign yourself. 10. Set to hidden. Optional. This is a powerful feature for advanced use cases. By default, new services are visible on your booking page. However, if you want to create a service that can only be booked internally by your team, or a special offer that you only share via a direct link, you can toggle the Set to Hidden switch to on. This makes the service invisible to the public on your main booking page, but still accessible to your staff in the Setmore calendar. Once you've meticulously filled in all these details, review everything to ensure accuracy. Then, click the Create button. Voila! Your new service is now added to your Setmore account and, by default, visible on your booking page. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.